If you have a dog, turn your volume up to see what their reaction will be for the following sounds. Or don't, I can't really tell you what to do.
There goes the crackhead that I see each morning.
It all started when my mom met my dad, and they fell in love, and they had me. Hi, I'm Ryan, and my life? It's kinda crazy.
This is my favorite dog challenge. Gasp at your dog and see what they do. Gasp dramatically.
Who is the goofiest? Who sheds the most? Who is the craziest? Who is the most handsome?
You're my honey bun, sugar plum, pumpkin. You're my sweetie pie. You're my cupcake, gumdrop, snickums, spickums. You're the apple of my eye. And I love you so, and I want you to know that I'll always be right here. And I...